こんにちは、お元気ですか？私はこのことができます。願っています。今、英語のために申し訳ありません。Sorry, that's the best I have. Took me a while to use a dictionary and look all that up. That's been a while. So anyway, we have the rail here, right? The ground, which is this right here. Then we have the train mesh right there. This one here. Let's move this up, right? So then we also have general influence. That's under, where are you? I hear a bird. Oh, it's somewhere. But anyway, you can just right click, add deformer, influence, general influence. That's this. And then this is created right here. This one here. But to do that, I used a curve and I placed approximately 21 points or vertices on the curve. And then I, with that curve selected, add a spline deformer, turn on use selected mesh, and this will be 0 because it will use the points or vertices from the curve in the mesh. Hit OK. I'm going to hit cancel, and it should create a new curve, and that will show up under Spline Effector, and you'll see it in the viewport, which means you can then hide the curve here, which we've done already. Alright, and you need two different spline effectors, because if you go into the properties for the spline effector, you want to adjust the slide, right? So at this point it's adjusting the slide for the track. Okay, obviously you may or may not want that. So what I've done is I go into the group, select all the locators, right, and make a new group for the spline effector train, right? Drag those items in, those locators, into here, so you can see we're using the same locators. Okay, let's minimize those and bring this better into view. Alright, and now we take the items, these two here, drag them into here, right there and right there. Drag both of these in to the workspace, right here and right here. And then you do another deformer general influence right there for the train, right? And then you take the spline effector, one for the track, plug that into the general influence for the track, and then the spline effector into the general influence of the train's influence. So that's it. And if you want to affect just the train here, select the spline effector. Oops. Select the spline effector for the train itself and adjust the slide value. And now you can see that it's sliding along. Alright, I hope that helps.